Okay, students, I am back. I wanted to make sure I ended the problem where everyone understood the sign rules. So I want to go over that again just to make sure I end this problem properly, to make sure everyone understood the sign rules. I may have made a small mistake on maybe the sign. So I'm going to erase this part, and I'm going to rewrite it because I was interrupted by a phone call. So I just want to clarify the sign rules. Sign rules. Okay. For multiplication, when you're multiplying signs, it's slightly different when you're adding or subtracting signs. So a positive times a positive gives you a positive. A positive times a negative will give you a negative number. A negative times a negative gives you a positive number. So let's review this again. This is for multiplication. This is when you're multiplying. To multiply. A positive times a positive gives you a positive. A positive times a negative gives you a negative. Or vice versa. And then a negative times a negative gives you a positive. For addition, when we had a positive and a negative here, a positive 3 and a negative 3, when you have two different signs, so if I have a positive plus a negative, that means you have to subtract and take the sign or use the sign of the largest number that goes with the largest number. So this right here determines which you use sign with the largest number. So if you remember this, when you see unlike signs, you have to subtract the two and then use or take the sign that goes with the largest number. I just wanted to make sure I clarified that when I ended the problem, so we will understand that this right here is your final expression. Okay, so today we covered simplifying algebraic expression using two polynomials, and we use two major concepts, and that is this one called the distributive property. Hope you can see this. So I just wanted to clarify in this second video to make sure I covered all of the terms and the rules that goes with this one problem. It looks simple, but if you don't know the rules for the sign rules and you don't know how to use the distributive property, then your answer or your expression will not come out correctly. So to all of my students out there, please like and share if this is very beneficial to you to review if you're going back to school, or you have children that are in school that are taking pre-algebra or algebra or geometry or trigonometry or calculus. Hopefully that this can benefit you and other people. So I hope you like and share, and I hope this was very beneficial to you today. Thank you, and I will see you on tomorrow. Peace. Hello, Melanie. Yes, flashback, huh? I'm glad you're on. I hope you like and share, and maybe can share with students that may need to review simplifying algebraic expressions. All right, peace out, my students. See you tomorrow.